70 sir.
Sir, wait, sir.
77 sir.
Rights and how at Radha TLP we are using technology to provide the best team. India is at an inflection point in terms of growth and development, whether it be in terms of infra, real estate, or even quality of life. We as a nation are moving towards superior quality products in all aspects. Steel manufacturers like myself play a critical role in the cell development in our country. Radha TMT is innovating with changing times and offering high quality Radha 5 kg LRF TMT bars lay the foundations of the new quality conscious India. Today the construction grade steel in India is used primarily in two sectors, the housing segment and the infrastructure segment. The housing segment primarily uses the 500 and 550 grade of steel. It has transitioned from using 450 to 550. The infrastructure segment in India will need around 300. Growth in infrastructure segment is going to be much faster and will require, in the blast furnace route, where it is taken to the LRF before taken for further value addition and rolling into TMT bars. If you see these slides, you will understand how the material is transferred from the blast furnace to the converter, then is taken to the LRF station. And the cleaning of the steel furnace and then transferred to the LRF station and then taken for further processing. But when you come to the induction furnace route, a lot of steel plants in this sector are very small and they take the metal straight away from the induction furnace to the caster. This is the primary difference in the technology, what you see between the three different induction furnace route is operating without the LRF. Now, what is the LRF? How is it making a difference? How can quality steel production be done through induction furnace? That I'll look to answer today. If you look at all the three technologies, LRF is a common bridge between melting and making value-added products. Why do we need the LRF? The iron ore in India is high in phosphorus content and the coal is high in sulfur content in India. To clean the steel and make it conforming to the norms of 550 grade of TMT, we need LRF steel. LRF in between to process the steel. It will help in trimming the chemistry, it will help in removing gases and inclusion, reduce the phosphorus and sulfur levels, and it will help in maintaining a homogeneous structure. Now at Radha, what we have done is we have adopted the LRF technology to give you the same quality of steel which is available from the blast furnace and from the electric arc furnace route. LRF has helped us bridge the gap between all three routes of steel making. Different norms for sulfur, phosphorus when compared to the Fe550 grade of steel, where the phosphorus and sulfur contents are higher. What does phosphorus and sulfur do to the steel? By reducing the phosphorus and sulfur, you attain more ductility, which is required for critical infra projects because the vibrations and the structure requires a ductility along with the strength, which is not required for the smaller housing projects, but which becomes critical for all the high rises and for all the critical infra projects. To any NHI project all over the country. We are approved with BHEL, we are approved with the Government of Telangana, ENC, Irrigation Department and Andhra Pradesh, along with other various departments. To conclude, I would like to say here that LRF is a technology which is bridging the gap between induction furnace, blast furnace and electric arc furnace, and we at Radha have become the pioneers in adopting this technology for the induction furnace route. With this, we support Radha in its journey to serve the construction industry going forward. Thank you so much. I'll play the PowerPoint presentation here.